here's what's been going on. Went from a drought and burning forest to winter weather. There's a Jeep flipped over in the road here. It's 6:38. I was supposed to be at work at 6. I've been sitting here since about 5:45. It's been crazy. Just opened a new facility, and I've been working. I think this is my 12th day straight doing a double shift, so that's why I haven't posted anything metal detecting. I was hoping to get out this weekend. I'm not sure what it's going to be like, but we will see. It's been crazy.
We can hold this thing a little bit steadier. Here we go. There he is. Didn't tear it up too much, but stopped the world for over 2 hours. I mean, there's traffic probably backed up 20 miles. Crazy.